Magandang umaga. Ang umaga ko, ang agenda is first, bago uminom ng kapit, bread, kakain ng breakfast. Naglinis guys, iwan ko kung anong nangyari sa akin, bakit nagmamap ako dito guys. Yun, ang ginawa ko ito, mapa-mapa. Naglilinis ako sobrang aga, kagigising ko lang. So nagtataka ako, iwan ko anong nangyari sa akin. Ay, maraming buhok. Yun yung problema kapag maraming asot, pusa, 'di ba? So maraming buhok, kailangan kong mag-map. Kahit makikita kasi kapag klarong-klaro yung buhok kapag may araw. So yun, kaya hindi ko nagustuhan. Yun, nagtrabaho, Pagkatapos nun guys, nagpakain ako ng aking mga alaga. And then, yun naman yung talagang una ko dapat gagawin. And pagkatapos niyan, ako ang kasunod kakain. Pero, yun, ito yung umaga natin. Hi guys, alam nyo guys, this morning para akong tulaling. Hello, good morning Facebook, YouTube, everything, everybody on social media. This morning para akong tulaling guys, I've been asking Tammy and I don't even realize, hindi ko na-realize na tinatanong ko siya, anong gusto mong kainin Han? Ganon. And then twice siyang sumagot, egg, cheese, and onion. Twice daw siyang sumagot. Pero hindi ko man namalaya na sumagot pala siya ng twice na onion daw, cheese, egg scrambled. So, hindi ko man lang namalaya na ganun pala yung answer niya. So, lumabas ako sobrang hangin at saka sa sobrang inaw. Sabi ko, anong gusto mong kainin? Magluluto na ako. Sabi pa niya, this is the third time. I answered you second time. And then, this is the third time. I will tell you again. Egg, cheese, and onion. Sabi ko, pag sure daw, oy, hindi man kita titatanong, parang niluluko ata ito. Parang niluluko talaga ako ng asawa ko kasi hindi ko maalala na tinatanong ko siya ng twice. He answered me twice. Ay nako, sabi ko talaga sa sarili ko. Iwan ko na lang sa ito ni Moy. Hindi ko nga alam guys kung ano yung kakainin ko ha. Pero I think I'm gonna make 3 eggs. Jumbo eggs ito, lo. Twin guys, twin. Kambal. What you doing, Han? You're gonna go out again. This is smoking, and I know I'm a second-hand smoker, guys, okay? And I'm not gonna leave him because he's smoking. I'm with him forever, for the rest till death do us part.
Guys, keep in mind, when I met her, she's like, no, I really like smoking.
I like the cigarette. The more cigarette, that then I will show you guys. I will put the picture right here. I'll put the picture what kind of cigarette is that. It was different, guys. This cigarette that he's buying in Long Island, I'm just saying, is so different. I'm telling you, it's so different. Like they put something in it na parang kakaiba talaga. Masakit sa ilong, masakit sa ulo.
Right, we are true. I smoked the brown cigarettes. She was complaining about them too.
No. You smoke in bedroom, but I'm not even gonna come into that thing. But anyway, I'm just lucky enough that he stopped for how many years, guys, before he decided to smoke outside the house. That makes me happy because if he doesn't, every morning I have a bad temper in the morning when I get up.
Now she just doesn't have an excuse for a bad temper.
No, in the morning guys, when I get up, gives me headache. The whole house is smoking. But luckily he just started going outside for how many years already? 3 years?
Yeah, that's not just started, that's been a long time already.
No, 3 years already. No, 3 years to go outside, hon. Let me tell them, you cannot stop me.
That's how it works, guys. Smoking is an addiction. Not a good addiction, but an addiction.
Look, he listen to you. It's not a good addiction.
Not a good thing.
It's not a good thing. Punta tayo sa taas. Naligo pa si Mister. Magpahinga pa yan. And then, pagkatapos niyan, magbihis. Ako naman, mag-ready at mag-karaoke lang. Karaoke tayo, guys. Kasi gusto kong kumanta. Kanina pa ako, buryong-buryo. And then, yung mister ko nakakaloka. So, karaoke tayo dito sa office ko. So, ito yung napakaganda dito sa office ko, guys. Kasi anytime mag-karaoke ako dito, free na free. O, diba? Free na free. Diba? Free na free. So, kaya lang, yung TV natin, walang talagyan. Kasi nga, itong TV sobrang laki, diba? Pang bedroom po ito doon sana. Ito sa kabilang bedroom. Sabi ko sa Tami, ilagay mo na lang ito sa bathroom natin, sa master bath, para pero maroon tayong TV doon. Speaker natin. Video natin. So yun, let's go take na mga limahog dikti. When I dream guys, ito yung nilaga na niluto ko the other day. Kainin natin. Hi guys, kain.
Big pieces.
Han? That's how you make when you soup like this. Everything is big. Yes, you cannot. I won't cut it because that's how it is. So kain tayo. Tammy is having that thing. Be careful, ha, because you might.
Wear it.
Yeah. Meron tayong sili. Do you want some dipping soy sauce?
No.
Dipping soy. I think this is Tammy's first time. This one, I think. I'm not sure. Pero usually kasi chicken and pork. That's what I usually do. Tikman natin yung sabaw. It's very bland, huh? You wanna add pepper?
I put pepper.
Okay. Because I don't add anything, guys. Like I don't add magic sarap. I don't usually add. Hindi ko inad na magic sarap. I don't add bouillon. Bouillon is it's a beef cube. It's a cubes. Usually people like to put that, but I don't. So this is just strictly water, salt, and fish sauce. You know, like patis. Pero yung patis kaunti lang. So. So the beef is very tender, I think. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. We'll ask my husband after.
Seems pretty tender. Of course, when you boil it in soup, it should be tender.
Yeah, boil it twice. Excuse me. Kain lang ako, guys, ha? The water have a little bit of oil from the fat. So tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I will get the fat out when it get colder. You know, it get hard, right? So that's one of that.
It separates from the water.
Ako yung nahihirapan nagtingin sa asawa ko. He doesn't want rice. Nilagyan ko na ng guys, cabbage. Kasi gusto ko iba-ibang Why I'm dizzy? Alahan, I'm dizzy.
Maybe go too long without eating.
Tinola, guys. Tinola. Beef nilaga. Nilaga. Meron. Yeah. Ang sarap ng sarap ng. So, okay, let me ask my baby. Be honest, Hannah. Honest. You like it?
It's very tasty.
Really?
Which I would assume means there's a lot of salt in it.
Enough. It's not like crazy. It's not really, I don't really taste any salty like crazy in chan. Ang sarap din ng ko, yung suka.
Possible. Maybe Joe's over there, or maybe Melissa's over there. Whatever it is.
Sarap. Busog na ako. Ang bilis kong mabusog sa ano. Basta sabaw. Bilis. So, I guess I will see you guys later.
That's right.
You should eat that.
Mm-mm.